This question used to give students headache in my era of being a student, but it's the easiest. See, a cold water tap can fill a bath in 6 minutes, while a hot water tap can fill it in 12 minutes. The drainage pipe can fill it in 8, can drain, can drain it in 8 minutes. All the three opened fully for 3 minutes, and then the hot water tap is closed for 3 minutes, right? How many more minutes will it take to fill the bath? Number 1, you need to write. I said in such questions, visualize. So we have the cold tap can fill the bath in 6 minutes, right? The hot tap needs 12 minutes to fill the bath. But there is also a drainage pipe that require 8 minutes to drain fully the bath, okay? All the three opened fully for 3 minutes, okay? And then the hot water tap is closed. How many more minutes will it take to fill the bath? Number 1 thing you should do is to calculate and find if all the 3 taps are open for 1 minute, right? How much water will be in the bath? How do we do that? You take 1/6 of the cold tap, you add 1/12 of the hot tap, then you subtract 1/8 of the drainage, right? So the LCM here is 24, right? If you practice more, you'll just be seeing numbers and you'll be knowing the LCM. So 24 divided by 6, that is 4 times 1, that is 4. You add 24 divided by 12 is 2 times 1, that is 2. Then you subtract 24 divided by 8 is 3, so that is 3. So you get 6 minus 3, that is 3/24, by 3, 1, by 3, 8. So you find that if all taps are opened for 1 minute, then the bath will be an 1/8 full, okay? So you will have water 1/8. So you ask yourself, what about for 3 minutes? Okay, so that means you just, so for 3 minutes, then it means it's 1/8 you multiply by 3. That gives you 3/8, right? So after the 3 minutes, it had 3/8 water, and the hot water tap is now closed. So you ask yourself, what about, this is the water it had. So what about when it's full? So if it has 3/8, then it means when it's full, it's 8/8. You subtract 3/8 and you find that it needs 5/8 more water to be full. But now the hot water is closed. So this one is closed, right? So we need to know, if we open the colder than drainage, how much water will it have for 1 minute, okay? I think we can switch to this side. So we need 1/6 and you subtract 1/8. The LCM here is also 24. So 24 divided by 6, that is 4. And 24 divided by 8, that is 3. So you subtract 3 and you'll get 1/24, right? So if 1/24 is what the water gets in 1 minute, what about 5/8? So you just pick your 5/8, you divide by 1/24, because this is the water the tank gets after the hot tap has been closed for 1 minute, right? So you divide it here. So that means for you to get multiplication is what? Is 5/8. You multiply by the reciprocal of this. So 24/1. By 8, 1 by 8, 3. So you get 15 minutes. This is the answer. You see? This is the reason why you should work with me So I can change your history of mathematics. Mathematics is not hard, just some attitude problem and lack of practice.